Hey everybody, welcome back to a Dapper Day. Hope everybody's enjoying their day. It's Monday. Let's have a good week. I'm back. I know people may be a little surprised, but try to make more videos. I'm trying to make more videos, man. I know you guys like them, and kind of try to grow the channel. There's a lot going on in DeFi, so I always have stuff to talk about. Let me start with the charts today. So this is the token we're going to talk about. Before I get there, let me just see what we're seeing. Okay, today we're having some pullbacks. I heard that there was like Nvidia, which everyone knows Nvidia is like this huge company, like the company of the year. Supposedly China hit them with some type of monopoly, like lawsuit or something. I don't want to speak about pay to that, but it's kind of causing a lot of rifts in the market. It's bringing stuff down. You also got like the Fed's going to be speaking this week. So people are a little, they're always trying to get ahead of the news, even though like what they're doing is like the interest rate cut is coming. And people are assuming that people don't know what's going to happen, but people just want to make a move because that's crypto. Everybody wants to make a move. That's just trading in general. Everybody's trying to make a move. Me, I like to sit in DeFi and just, grow my bags that way. So what we're going to do today, like I said, we're going to be looking at World Mobile Chain. That's what they're called now. World Mobile Chain. Pretty interesting projects, guys. And why I really like this project, I'm not going to lie, is this kind of reminds me of old school blockchain projects where people used to actually try to build something for the real world. This is before DeFi was even a thought. And I love DeFi, don't get me wrong. But this is when people were like, oh, we can apply blockchain to like everything. And like everyone was trying to like build like the wildest ideas you could think of. Yeah, they didn't always come true. But now the infrastructure is a lot better now. And like this token has been out for like really long time. As you can see here, like 21, they were on Twitter. So they've been around for a while. And it's showing me that they're resilient and that they're pushing through. So what they're doing is they're building like a mobile network so people can like, set up these things called AirNodes, and then you can basically create here's like an AirNode alliance. You basically can create like a telecom network. So it's like a decentralized telecom network. Sorry, I know you guys are trying to listen and look. I was looking for like just a picture of the AirNode, but I don't see one. And basically, oh, here we go. Something like this. Somebody would put this on the top of their house. Now you're a part of their network. And when people are making calls, they're running through your network. So there's like thousands of these all over the world right now. They're getting a lot of eyes right now, man. And they launched their own like a layer 3. Follow me. A layer 3. It's not a layer 1. It's a layer 3. That means they're built on top of base, right? They created their world network chain on top of base. Why do I like this chain? Let me show you why. So as you guys can see, there's no world network here, right? If you guys look closely, they just kind of popped up on the scene. They just popped up on the scene right around here, where you start to kind of see them at the bottom there. And then they're just slowly creeping up to the point where now, dude, they're like, number 5 chain for users. Now, as you can see, the definition of users is different for every chain. Like, BNB chain is the top chain right now. Just addresses, people who are sending stuff. But for World Mobile, it's like users that have an active payment plan with World Mobile Chain and has used World Mobile Telecom service on a daily basis. So these are people who are making phone calls or texting, whatever, leveraging the chain. That's pretty cool, guys, because these other chains like Solana, like, don't get me wrong, people love Solana, but like, what are these transactions for? Like, oh, meme coin deploy, oh, meme coin buy, meme coin this, meme coin this, meme coin that. Tron is like the huge network for stablecoins. People don't know that, but like if you go to like Latin America, everyone's using Tron to send Tether around because it's very cheap. Tether being the stablecoin. So that's where they get their users from. But World Mobile is kind of doing their own thing, dude. They're on top of Base, Aptos, Celo. Come on, Ethereum. They're up there, right? They're up there. They have the most daily active users, number 5 in the market, and they're not even close to number 5 on the chart. Like, if we go back here, as you can see, World Mobile is nowhere here, dude. They're a true sleeper. Let me take you back to their page. They are actually number, where is that? 346, dude. Why are they number 346 in market cap and number 5 in daily active users? This one is a no-brainer. Look at the chart, bro. Like, yeah, came out, it was doing well. Every chart does this. But they're starting to tick up now, and they're starting to be taken way more serious now because their infrastructure is starting to work. The chain, like I said, the chain just came out. I showed you guys that. People are using these phones. People are making money with the AirNodes. So, like, there's many ways to attack this. Like, if you wanted to just say, let's say you want to be a part of the Telecom network, you can just go buy an AirNode and, like, start earning money. You know what I mean? Or, and just off topic a little bit, Minutes Network. These guys are brothers. Not the coins, but the guy who owns Minutes and the guy who owns World Mobile, they're brothers. And they're going to be working on stuff down the line. I could probably do a video on Minutes later. Similar telecom company, just a little different. So here they were on the Coinbase app. They just came on the Coinbase app. That's pretty cool. They have a partnership here. Oh, Morpho lending. That's cool. Borrow USDC. Oh, this is pretty cool. So they're integrating into DeFi. More AirNodes are being deployed every month. Millions of users connected. People earning rewards thanks to their connectivity. Dude, this is happening. Look at the chart. It's freaking just going. You know? Yo, like, whoever is hearing about this project for the first time, do some more research. Go follow the page. Check out YouTube. Read up on these guys. It's crazy, man. And they're doing buybacks. You got to remember that. When they make money, they're buying back tokens. I had a conversation with Grok about World Mobile the other day, but I don't know where it is. But yeah, I think they did about $6 million in buybacks last month. So as they start to scale, you're going to see the buybacks come harder. It says World Mobile token has fixed supply. That means every buyback strengthens utility. Demand rises with real network users. Tokens purchased and redistributed, not created. That means that when the company makes money off of the telecom business and they buy their tokens. They're not just distributing tokens that are already somewhere to be distributed, which a lot of projects do. They just have tokens somewhere in a vault that they can give out to people. They're buying their tokens off the market. I think this is a really interesting one to keep an eye on. Here we go. World Mobile Chain Buyback Program Fueling Sustainable Telecom Revolution. Token buyback program is a game changer, leveraging real world revenue, meaning like people actually using the phones is what's causing the money to come into the company, which they're then using to buy back the token. All right, hope everybody understood that. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna earn money off of World Mobile Network. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna do that by staking World Mobile token, and then basically you have two ways of earning. You could get an AirNode, which is I don't know how much they cost. I know they just did a sale the other day for AirNode. A lot of people bought them. Or you could stake, as you see when you first come to the site. Start staking, right? Just to see what it says here. Designed for DePIN. World Mobile Chain is the first dedicated telecom blockchain. Wow. An EVM compatible layer 3 built on Base, enabling fast, secure, and affordable transactions with easy deployed decentralized applications. So that means people are going to be able to build apps on top of this chain as well. So let's say you wanted to launch some type of telecom based company, like some walkie-talkie app on your phone that people get paid to, do walkie-talkie or something like that. You could leverage their network to kind of build an app. But these are not going to be like your everyday swaps and lending and all of that bridges. these are going to be a new wave of companies, which is why I say this reminds me of like the old crypto, when people used to be really trying to like change the world with crypto. So this is kind of like a good example of it working. It's decentralized. These nodes are all over the world. All right, let's go. Let's start staking. So as you can see here, 2 ways to stake. You can buy a EarthNode and stake with your node. So you can buy the node and then you can stake some tokens on top of it, or you can just stake raw tokens. So I'm gonna do that. This is my first time doing it, so I'm gonna do it live. Stake on EVM. So you're staking World Mobile Token on Base. So before I do that, I gotta buy some World Mobile Token. If you go here and you click Markets, it shows you where you can buy. All right, this is MinSwap. This is our Cardano DEX. Then we got Aerodrome, which is the base DEX. So I already have it pulled up here, and I have some ETH in my wallet on Base. There's many ways to get on Base, guys. You can go straight from an exchange. You can use a bridge, like D-Bridge. I use that in some of my videos. You can check out other videos. I use D-Bridge a lot, D-E-Bridge. I always go on Twitter and search for stuff, and then I verify that these people have followers and like there's a real company, and I click the link. I don't try to search for crypto companies through the browser. That's frisky. Because if you spell it wrong, you go to the wrong site, you could lose all your money. So keep that in mind. So D-Bridge is where you can get money on Base if you don't have it over there. If you have money on Sol or somewhere else, you can just get it over there. So right now, like I said, we're on Aerodrome. We're gonna sell some ETH for World Mobile Token right now. This is a different wallet. Okay. So I swapped it. Everything went through. So now let me go back to the World Mobile website, since I have the World Mobile Token. Click this. Okay, it's asking me to connect wallet. So they basically just took me straight to the app. This is pretty cool. Asked me to connect my wallet. As you guys know, I use my Rabby. Site popularity is very low. That means that there's not a lot of people staking. That means Rabby is like, yo, people don't really use this app that much, so be careful. But I know I'm in the right place, so I'm not worried. But this is also an indicator that not many people know about it, and that it's the time to be paying attention before people know about it. So just keep that in mind. So I connected. Let me see if it read my balance somewhere. Okay, my balance. It's showing the tokens I just bought. I can show you right here. I just bought 117.6. 117.6. So it's there. I'm just gonna click stake. I'm gonna max it. And I don't know, am I supposed to adjust this? Total staked. Oh, okay. That's it. This is actually dope, and it's easy. And this is like gonna be an easy video, more of like an explainer. I take you guys through the DApp experience as well, but more of an explainer. I just had to approve the tokens, and now it's showing me that the tokens are gonna leave my wallet. Cool. I have more World Mobile tokens. I'm gonna go do a separate stake on my own, but I just want to do a simple, minimal stake on camera so people can kind of see the steps. And here you go. My stakes are there. Boom. And I could unstake at any time. What is core staking? It's a multi-chain iteration of World Mobile's early reward program. By locking up your token, you demonstrate belief in the mission and help strengthen the ecosystem ahead of public mainnet, all while earning monthly rewards in return. So I'm going to be earning tokens 15 days until rewards epoch. So I guess the first of every month you earn tokens, which is great. How do I earn rewards? Staking an API based on the amount of World Mobile tokens you stake. It's about 5%. Rewards can be claimed at the end of each epoch. Yeah, so it's not a crazy amount of APY, but I'm earning more World Mobile token while I'm holding it and allowing the infrastructure to build out. you know. So yeah, man, this is a huge deal. Like they're at a conference right now. This is the head of base. They're at base camp, and it says the most important conversations with these are happening at base camp, and World Mobile is at the center of them. The co-founder is in Vermont, showing the base creator, and 500 builders how the sharing economy works. Our World Mobile mini app, the token, the phone plan, and the staking aren't just concepts; they're live. As you guys see, I just staked. So man, it's looking good, and it's just something I'm actually excited about. The main reason I'm excited about it is because of these numbers I shared, guys. Like, you don't really see stuff like this often. The number 5 token being number 300 and change on the charts. That's crazy. That means there's a lot of room for potential growth, and everyone who's been here for more than a year knows that Solana's claim to fame is daily active users. So once World Mobile Chain has more daily active users than Solana, which is, it's headed there, guys. The numbers speak for itself. It just popped up and it's not stopping. What's the argument? What's the argument against them? They have more users. They have more real users that actually need the service, not just degenerates who are trying to gamble or something. So keep that in mind, and I hope you guys liked the video. I wish I could just rant more, but I do want you guys to just go enjoy your day. And I don't know if you guys have. This is the official Dapper Day Twitter, little dap. I'm working on something. It's kind of like my AI agent. As you can see, I post videos here. But yeah, if you guys want to follow me, I'm getting active on here again. I'm trying to build it more automated. So go check me out at Dapper Day. It's in the description. So follow my channel. Subscribe to the channel. Follow the AI agent on Twitter. And for all the people who think AI agents are dead, it's just the beginning. I listen to AI content all the time, and it's really bubbling up. That, like, I think what we saw late last year was just the first phase. But like I said, you guys have a good one. Go check out World Mobile, stake, get involved, earn some money while you wait for this token to get recognized as the beast that it actually is. And that's all. I'm gonna see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.